welcome to my video. Today I'll be going through the database by giving a sample work. Note well, this is not the necessary format for the database, but only a rough draft of the project. You can design your database to your own liking. Now, let's dive right into the database. So remember guys, to make sure that your database is a format from 2007 to 2010. So I'll be using 2007 here today. It's supposed to create a blank database, and I'm going to name my database JBT. Now, instructions say to create a table to store all data collected on the registration form from the design in the word processing section. So based on what info you collected in the word processing section, like email, address, felon status, etc., you should include that into your table. So in my database now, I'm going to include the following: voters ID, last name, first name, date of birth, gender, felon status. So now I'm going to save this table as registration, and go into the design view. So now first thing is the voters ID. It should be alphanumeric according to the instructions. So I'm going to make it text and maximum 6. Then I'll have a last name, text, and the field size is 30. Then I'll have first name, text, and field size 30 as well. Then after that, now I'm going to have DOB and make that date and time. Then after that, I'm going to have gender, text, and make it field size 1 for M or F, sorry. And last but not least, felon underscore status, and I'll make that yes or no. So now I'm going to save that, and now these are the fields you're supposed to have into your database. And the instruction also said that you're supposed to have 18, you collected from 18 forms, so therefore you should have 18 records. It did not give you any information on these 18, so you're gonna make it up, but it must be 9 males, 9 females, 7 persons born in 1998, 8 felons, and also you're supposed to add this information to your database. So you're gonna add this to your database as well. So now I already have the type, the records are already in a separate database. So I'm just gonna copy it from there. Just wanted you guys to see the design view, how you make the field size and everything. So now I'm just gonna paste it, and you should have about 22 records. So therefore, this is how your first table should look like. Nothing's wrong if you have more than these amount of columns, but ensure that you have the requirements acts, like amount of felons, amount of persons born in 1998, and the genders. So there should be about 11 girls and 11 females and 11 males in all. So now I'm going to save that now and close this table and continue the instructions. And the instructions say that we must create a table to store on polling station. So you should have a field for also the number of workers as well, and the maximum number of workers, which is 13 times the number of workers. But first I'm just going to I'm just gonna look on the polling station that they said we should add to it as well. So you should have these three, and I'm going to make three more of these. Then I'll have station code, station name, address, and felon. So right now I'm going to design create the table, going to design view and call it polling station. Now first thing you're supposed to have is station code, and this should be text. Make the field size 5. Then station name text, I make that about 30. Next is supposed to have address text, and about 50 will do. And then the last one, felon, which means the number of felons in each polling stations. So now these are the fields you're supposed to have in the polling station table, which I already have the records in a separate table. Just want you guys to see the design view. So I'm just going to copy it from the database here and paste it here. So about 6 polling station I have. I use the 3 records that they gave us already. Here are the 3 records they gave us. Sorry, these are the 3 records what I use, and I made up 3 more here. So now we're going to continue with the number of workers and the maximum number of voters now. So remember, the number of workers, you can put in any amount of values, but remember that based on what you put up for the number of workers determines what you're going to put in the maximum number of workers. So this is going to be a field data type number, and maximum number of workers will be the data type number as well. So now for guys who have the 2010 and have the calculated field, it would be cool to use it for this color, this field, but your projects will be marked in the 2007 format, so therefore it wouldn't read this field. So I advise you guys to put this in manually. So now I'm just gonna put these in manually and calculate it out on my brain. Just 5, 2, 7, 10, 15, and about, let's say, 3. So now 65, 26. This is about 65 plus 26, and it's about 91, I guess. 130. That's about 195. This is 39. And that's it. So this is your polling station table. You can see it should have station name, station code, sorry, station name, address, the number of felons, number of workers, and the maximum number of workers. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys can like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have some questions that I may not have answered in the video for you.